Hi, and welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. It's a beautiful sunny day today, and I'm at Park Lima Alpha 2532 as usual, doing a Parks on the Air activation because it's a little bit windy, but that doesn't really matter when you find a little bit of a foxhole on the fortress to dig yourself into. And you just strap your mast to the big guns and you're ready to go for a little bit of POTA. Let's take a look at today's equipment and we'll start calling some CQs as usual. Today's antenna is the LB6CI NFED half wave, running about 20.5 meters of wire for 40, 20, 15 and 10 today. And that's running as a sloper up the DX Commander 10 meter mast strapped to this cannon. All the way up there. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India calling the CQ Parks on the Air. Calling CQ Parks on the Air. Listening for any calls. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Good afternoon, Luis. 5 and 9 today. 5 and 9. Over. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima 5 and 9.
Echo America 4 Tango Lima. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima.
Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima 5 and 9. 59 59 59 QSL. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, do you copy?
Okay, Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima. Okay, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, Roger.
Roger, Roger, 59, 5 and 9, 5 and 9, QSL.
Okay, it's a 5x5 pay. Echo Alpha 4 Tango Lima, report for you, 5x5 pay, Roger.
Roger, Roger, thank you, 7-3. Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. Good morning, Don. I guess it's still morning over at your part of Europe. 5 and 9 today. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Very good morning to you there. Thanks for the 5x9. You're 5 and 7. 57. I couldn't hear you when you first came up, but the band's coming up a bit now. So 5 and 7. Thanks for the 5 and 9. And if I can work you for the club call sign as well, which is Mike 0 Oscar Mike Charlie. Mike 0 Oscar Mike Charlie. 57 also more, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Thank you for the 57 on the club sign as well. Calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Lima Alpha 2532. Mike 0 Tango Quebec. Good morning, Stuart. I saw your post on the Discord, but I had too many things going on at the same time. Happy to have you in the log. 5 and 5, 55. QSL. Thank you for the contact, and nice to have you in the log again, Stuart. 7-3. And this is one of those days where you just can't make the activation call in CQ. So I'm going to hunt around the bands, answering some CQs, and hope to get my 10 in the log. So we'll keep going and see what happens.
East there, and catch you further down the log then. It's been a real pleasure. Sure, we make 6 Victor Zulu Bravo, Italy Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel Golf. Hey, ciao.
Lima Bravo 0 Fox India QRP.
Lima Bravo 0 QRP, go ahead.
Yeah, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP. You're 5 and 9 plus, 5 and 9 plus in Norway.
Roger, Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. This is India Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel Golf. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for calling me, actually. And you're 5x7 here in the clear. Hopefully nobody will start talking in a nearby frequency like it happened before. But so far so good, no problems. The name is Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Easy. The KDH is Lima Milan, Mike India Lima Alpha November. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India, Italy Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel Golf.
Some activations are harder than others, and today is no exception for that. Running QRP on a day like this with really bad solar conditions is a challenge. I made 6 contacts in the log, 4 from calling CQ and 2 from just hunting around the band, and the bands are just so unstable that there's no use continuing, but nonetheless, sometimes things doesn't always pan out like you plan them to. I actually gave up on my activation and called it quits with 6 QSOs in the log. But then I went home, had some dinner, and LB5JJ sent me a text. I wanted to know if I wanted to do some POTA. And it's still the same UTC day, it's a little bit later, and there's a 10-meter net going on. So let's head over there and see if we can find LB5JJ.
Hvilken?
2532.
2532, sier han. Så det er, hvis du så den YouTube-videoen jeg la ut, hvor jeg var her borte og kjørte POTA, så det er den festningen, og det er den Morten.
Skal vi se flere enn de som skrevet på nå, som ligger bak her. La en til lytter for inn- og utstasjoner eller noe, så er jeg på ringen.
11-0 Fox India.
Ja, pilot, gitt. Jeg hørte bare igjen, jeg. 11-0 Fox India, 5-9 pluss 10, var det Hansika?
Nei, 11-0 Fox India. Morten, Kuto Halden. Akkurat nå så står jeg på Fredriksten festning i lag med LB5 JJ her, over.
Ja, en gang til, Morten.
Hæ?
En gang til.
Navnet er Morten. Jeg står på Fredriksten festning i Halden i lag med LB5 JJ her, og kjører litt Park Sondier samtidig som ringen her, over.
Ja, ok, ja, men da har du muligheten nå, da, vet du. Får rapporter av folk her, så har du 10 stykker med en gang.
Okay, what started out as a failed activation this morning turned out to a successful activation this night. As you can see on the pictures over there, I made a total of 19 QSOs, and most of them on 10 meter on a local net on 10 meters, thanks to LB5JJ that invited me out to the same park for another POTA activation. And it's all within the same UTC day, so it's possible to recover a failed activation. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, there are a couple of ways down below to do that. You can either buy me a coffee or support the channel on Patreon, but don't feel committed to do that if you don't want to do that. And until next time, 7-3.